What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today's video we're going to put to the test 5 watermelon gadgets. Let's see what I got. For the first gadget I got here watermelon spike. Let's see what it does. There is a simple directions what you're supposed to do, but also you can use it for a melon as well, or anything big like watermelon that you want to slice up. That's such a great idea. I never seen one of this before. So what we're gonna do is lay the gadget like this and spike watermelon right inside there. I'll try to find the middle. Boom! Wow, this is so awesome, and look at that. Now as directions I can cut watermelon without problem. Of course I can go around like this. This is how my dad used to cut watermelon, just circles on top like that. Boom. And then I can just go all the way around. And now this way I don't have to worry about the watermelon falling over on me. And boom, you got the slices right here. And of course you can cut it like this too. Let's see how it does. Boom, and you got a slice. Let's pull it out, see what happens. Ooh, kind of fell off a little hard. So anyway you slice it, this way or this way, it works. There's another slice. It works really good. The point of it, you don't have to worry about holding the watermelon. How awesome is that? That's definitely one of the best gadgets I've seen for the watermelon. Because now you can slice up your watermelon just like this, no problem. What I would usually do is put it in a bowl like this. And let's see if it's going to work just as good. You know what? A little bit more wobbly, but it works just as good. Maybe a smaller bowl would even do better. But let me show you. Boom. As you can see, it works just as good. Overall, very original and useful gadget, so thumbs up for me. But you know what? There might be even easier way to slice a watermelon. Let's see how this slicer works. You got yourself medium-sized watermelon and slice the bottom of it. And then slice the top of it. Just like that. Then we're going to stand it up like this, and then I'm going to set this up and we're going to cut it right into multiple pieces. Boom! Look at that. I love how it separates like that into these little flowers. Amazing. Okay, let's try to pull off a piece. Boom, not bad. As you can see, it cut all the way. If it didn't, just push it all the way, and now we can take off the watermelon very easily. But the only problem with that, look at that, I didn't actually realize that. You see, it all bended up now. So one complaint about this watermelon slicer, it's all bended. That is not good. So overall, huge thumbs up. Look, perfect watermelon slices. It's amazing and fast. But huge thumbs out, the quality, look at that. It's all bended up after cutting just one watermelon. I don't even know how long it would last. For this gadget, we're going to make watermelon keg lemonade stand. So what we're going to do is cut off the watermelon like this, just the top. Once again. Another fun part. What you're going to do is just eat everything out from your watermelon like this. Boom. I actually love eating watermelon like that, except cutting it just in half and eating it with a spoon. That's the best. When I was a kid, we all would get half of my watermelon, I mean my brothers and sisters, and we would eat it with a spoon. And what we're going to do is just hold it out. I might need a bigger spoon. Squeeze the watermelon juice out. You can filter it, you can just have the actual pulp inside there, or whatever you want to call it. Maybe run it through the juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can just do that, mush it up. But again, there is million recipes you can do. This is just a real quick, simple way to show you the example. Next, we're going to insert the nozzle. By the way, right here, all the instructions. And all we have to do is just kind of do it to the bottom. So that way, it will suck everything out from there. Alright, about right here will be good, I guess. Yeah, that's it. So we just squish it in and turn and go. And juice is going to go to this hole, so don't worry about it's being clogged or anything like that. Boom, all the way in. Check this out. This is what it's going to look like on the inside. Okay, and then we're going to pour all that watermelon juice back in. You can add something else inside there as well. Okay, then you can put the top back on. Slide it in, so that way everything stays colder. By the way, you can put ice inside there, and it'll be like a cooler. Or you can put ice in a glass, and let's see what happens. All we have to do is just, I guess, lift it or press it. Oh yeah, press it right here. Wow, look at that. Perfect watermelon keg. That nozzle works so well. Amazing. And now we got here very refreshing watermelon drink. So perfect for the summer. I also have another watermelon topper. Boom. It comes with a quarter. So instead of built-in quarter like the other one, it comes with a different one. I'm just gonna set this one right next to this one, so that way we can see which one is better. So I'm just gonna pour it right here. There you go. And the core of a watermelon comes off. This is what we wanna do. And then we're gonna unscrew this. And it looks like there's 2 rubber pieces, so that way it does not leak. We're going to put it to our hole all the way in, and then we're going to put this rubber piece inside there, and we're going to screw it in on the inside. So let's see if this one works. Wow, it works really well. Close it. Let's see if this top works as well. This one is just a little different. You press it, let go, and stops. Honestly, I love both of them, but might be this one a little bit more because it comes with the legs. So that way you don't even have to have a plate, and that way it looks way more beautiful. And for the last watermelon gadget, I put this one to the test already before, but looks like they have improved it a little bit and made it a little bit more higher quality. This is a watermelon cuber or slicer, whatever you want to call it. So first of all, we're going to cut the watermelon in half like this. Then I'm going to put it in a plate, so that way it's more steady. And then I'm just gonna go like that. Boom. And go to the top. Actually, you're supposed to go like this. You know what? Last time I was using it, I might have even used it on when I put to the test this gadget first time. Even now, I just messed it up a little bit. So you're actually supposed to go like this. And then if you want to do the cubes, you can go like that. Oops, couple have came off. It's okay. And then what you do is just dump it all out, and it should come off instantly and very easily. But looks like first time I kind of failed using it. Let me try this again. And let's see if it's going to work. I'm going to dump it out. Kinda all the way, but not really. Once again, biggest complaint, I wish this metal was a lot stronger. Look how easy it is to bend it up. I wish it was actual knives like that, and that way this gadget probably would be very, very useful. But right now, look, it just wouldn't cut all the way, it just bends all over on me. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.